Hi, this is Erin, and today I'm going to do a review of the software named LiveAgent. LiveAgent is the customer support system that you can add your social media accounts, and also you can use the live chat voice to do the customer service. So if you are trying to sell the digital product or the physical product online, actually this is the one that you really want to get this deal. Okay, so when you scroll down a little bit, this is where you can add multi-channel support for email, live chat, and voice, and social pages. So social pages means that you can add your Facebook account, all of your pages, and also the Twitter account. And also you can check the customer information and previous ticket history. And this is the best for the customer support. I think this is really the best one. When you're visiting their official website, and all inclusive, this is the one that you are going to get with the deal. Okay, so instead of paying $39 per month, you just need to pay $59 one-time fee to keep the software forever. Okay, so when you click this one, learn more about the one-time fee cost, and this is the price right here, $10,000. It's kind of crazy, right? So if you don't want to just pay this much of money or the recurring payments, the $59, this is really affordable and reasonable price, okay, to get this deal. All right, so let me just jump into the software. This is the back end of software. So when you are just first time to log into software, this is what you're gonna see. This is where you can upload your logo. So this is the logo image right here. And also when you go to the front end of your the front end pages, this is the where they're going to see your logo. Okay, and also you can go ahead and click this to learn the basics, to just learn about the software just briefly. And add users. If you want to add users, you can definitely do that. And contact email account. This is going to be the unique email address. So ask your users to use the email address to contact you. Then all your messages, not your messages, actually their messages would redirect to store inside of this LiveAgent. So you can do the management, and you can answer them, and you can just do whatever you want to do with the customer service. Okay, and of course you can add your own email, the email addresses to do the management of your the customer support. And also add a chat button. I'm going to show you in a minute about this one, and set up the custom portal, connect your social pages, and add voice the support. Okay, so I'm going to show you setup in custom portal first. Okay, this is where you can add knowledge base, FAQs, the feature suggestions, feedback, and forum. Set up customer portal, and this is where you can choose your design. Yeah, the design right here. So we have 3 different designs. I choose minimalist, which is this design right here. Okay, so you can go ahead and click the classic to preview it. Just check the preview. And this is how it looks like, the design. And you can go ahead and click the third one, preview it. This is another design. So you can choose any designs you want, and at any time. You can just switch around if you kind of feel mood, and you can just change to something else. Okay, you can definitely just remove the images, and you can just change to different images. It's totally customizable. Okay, so I'm gonna just this one because I love that simple design. Okay, and branding. This is where you can change your headers. For example, this one here. Did you have any questions? And you can change that. The fonts, not the fonts, the text right here. Okay, and also for the design, you can customize all the design. The colors right here. Okay, and also the own HTML, you can add that if you have one. Custom is CSS and tracking codes. Okay. Okay, so you are done with this. The tracking code, this select theme and customize colors. And the next one is the ticket, the submit tickets. Customize it, click that. And this is a preview, and you can go ahead and click that require I'm sorry, I can't really pronounce it. Actually, require authentication. Okay. You can go ahead and click it on unclick it. It's whatever you want. And this is the what do you call this? This is the one department actually. Department, you can just choose department. Okay, and also the language is English right now, but you can choose any different language if you want to. Okay, contact form. You can just change the title if you want to. We have a description. We have a confirm messages. You can customize everything inside of here. And also after you're done with the design, and also customize submit tickets, you can go ahead, click the start chat. Okay, let me go back here, get started. Now we'll just go ahead and show you add a chat button. A chat button. They have several different designs, right? So we have 3 designs here. Actually, they had more designs. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I just clicked something else to create it. Oh yeah. I'm sorry. Okay, these are the one actually I was testing it, so I have to delete it actually. Delete. I'm gonna just choose to delete this one as well. Okay, I was kind of like creating and testing about to creating the buttons, and that's why I was, there was 3 different designs listed here. But if it's the first time to create your button, you can go ahead and click that create, and they have so many different designs you can choose it from. So you have a bubble, we have a slide. It's a slide. It's a side. Oh yeah, it's a side. Okay, side. We have a corner. We have inline, and also custom. Okay, you can add your own design. Okay, so whenever you feel it looks great, you can go ahead and click that. I'll just click this one here. All right, so this is where you can add, you can change the name, that goes to general to the different departments and languages, and we have the max queue length. You can go ahead and just choose, I don't know, maybe 10 will be kind of crazy, so I'll just choose 5 if I were you, and save it, and preview and test. Okay, so this is the where it's going to show display. This integration, you can add the script HTML code to your website, and online button, and you can also add your animation if you want to. Bounce. Okay, you can preview it. Okay, non-ends or so the position, start of window, 1.5 window. You can go ahead and choose that, and also appearance and mobiles. You can choose and hide it or not. In live chat, inside of live chat, you can say, "Hey, I am here." Okay, you can go. You can also change the text color if you want to. Hover effects. You can do that, but I will just none and save it. Chat window. This is the second one, and they have like 6 different designs. You can just choose whatever you want to do, and also this is the color. You can change it. Okay, this title's in the welcome, but you can just say airing. Well, the welcome message. Thank you for I don't know, choosing us, something like that. Okay, and when you're done, you can go ahead and save it and preview the test. Okay, it's not showing here because I was testing it, and I don't know, some reason it doesn't really open this chat. Open it actually. So I have no idea what's going on, but I have to refresh my the browser to make it work. Okay, offline button, actually it's a different view. Like some of the other the buttons, actually it has a completely different design, but this one, it comes with like kind of same design, but it's different colors. So you can go ahead and change the background color and text color if you want to. Contact form, this is where you can change the design. They have 6 different designs you can choose it from as well. Okay, so you can just do any designs you want, and it's to be centered and pop-up window. You can just choose whatever you want to do. Fields, you can add, you can switch around the name, email, messages. You can just switch to by clicking this arrow button. Okay, so title is a welcome again, so you can change to something else, maybe please contact us here, and description if you want to add them, and include a suggestion form from the category. I mean, you can just choose that if you want to. And description, and go ahead and save it. Preview and test again. Hopefully it's working now. Sorry, it's not working for the preview. It worked actually, but I was testing so many times and maybe something's wrong with the browser. I don't know, I'm using Chrome, so maybe I just need to delete the cache or something like that. Okay, design. Okay, I talked about it. And fields, I talked about it. I will just close that now. Okay, so this is the second one I just did the created. The video chat and call, actually, I don't have a lot of things to talk about because I didn't really test it yet. So after I tested some of their features like video chat and call, I will make another video for it. Okay, so if you have any questions about these ones, then you can definitely just leave a comment right below. Then I'll just make another video for you. Okay, so the Facebook, Twitter, and this is where you can add your the Facebook pages. So you can add all your Facebook pages in here, okay? And Twitter, you can add your Twitter account. Agents, and this is where you can add your agents. Departments, okay? So we have two different departments, but I can just choose, to create like multi-different departments. System. And we have a protection or automation and tools. Okay, so when you go to systems, on the bottom of the system, here's a domain setting. So you can have your own domain names for your ticket system, like here. Okay, and the important part is this knowledge base. So for the knowledge base, this is the category you can create it. For example, you can create category. So the title will be 1, 2, 3. Like this, and create it. Okay, so you create one category here, and I'm going to choose this category and edit the article like this. Okay, and also they have the full preview, the button to enable it or not. I'll show you in a minute about that, and create it. So when you go to the front end, when you refresh the page, so this is the category I just created. This is a folder, and inside of that folder, we have this article here. Okay. So for example, this is the category. This is the category inside of that box. The category, we have some the articles. Okay. So this is the full preview. Okay, this is a full preview. So when you click this full preview, this is how it looks like. But if you not click this one, this option here, and this is where your users have to be clicked and check the article. Okay. All right, so let me just go ahead and delete it. Cancel, no, okay. Then let's go to the home, and I'll go ahead and delete this. Alright, so this is where you can add a knowledge base, and also you can add your form if you want to. Okay, and this is also the feedback. You can create your new suggestion category, and you can also create that. This is the feedback buttons you can create if you want to. And I think that's pretty much it about this is software. And yeah, if you click this the name right here, actually Tom is not my name, actually he is one of our the employees working for me. So okay, this is where you can change your the agent per panel theme. Okay, so you can just go ahead and change it if you want to, but I would just choose the white. I think it's pretty good. personal details, we have the email address and some information here. Email notification, we have departments, tickets and tests, and the signature or so. You can just add your signature if you want to, and you can just choose the departments to add the signature. Settings, again, it's the agent panel, and performance, the reports. Okay, and also we have reports here as well, and you can choose the analytics overview, performance reports. We have agent reports, department reports, channel reports, tag reports, ranking agents. I don't know. I don't think I'm going to check each one of them about the reports about that, but it's pretty awesome to check it, right? Ticket load and agent availability. Okay, you can check everything here. So if you have VAs, actually you can just go ahead and check whether they're really working right now or not. You can just spying on it. Okay, here's the chats, and we active call, the my work reports. Okay, you can just check all the details here. Actually, I don't think I'm going to come back here to this pages to check all the details of the reports. But if you have VAs and if you wanted to check everything here, you can definitely do that. Okay, so I think except the call section, actually I talked about the most important parts. Okay, so they have so many different features, so you can go ahead and just click each one of them to see how it's working. But I think I just talked about each one of them. Okay, so if you have any questions about this software, you can definitely just leave a comment right below. I'm just making this video to sharing with you about this software. So I'm not related to this the LiveAgent actually. So you can just talk about anything, the bad or good things about the software. We can just share it together. Okay, so I'm totally fine. I'm really cool about it. So yeah, that's about it about this software. So yeah, just please don't forget to subscribe my video. Thank you so much for watching my video. This is Erin again. Thank you. Bye.